everybody, today we're going to be doing a little craft haul from a few different stores, but let's just get right into the first one. So the first one we have is Joanns. We went to a Joanns on vacation and I was so excited to go because I cannot go to the one that is in our town because I used to work there and the managers were terrible. And that made me quit, and I don't want to have to see them again, so I refuse to go to our local one. So I love getting to go to different ones whenever we travel. Okay, so literally the only thing I got was 4 of the exact same thing, but they were originally $2.99 and all the Christmas stuff was on clearance for 90% off, so I only paid 60 cents a piece. And they're little Christmas ornament globe thingies, but one side has a hole in it so that you could make a little terrarium or something. Now this is a Christmas thing. I'll probably turn one of them into a little terrarium Christmas ornament later this year, but I was also thinking you could just put a different little string on here and it wouldn't be too Christmassy. I guess it, is a Christmas globe, but I think it would still be cute either way. Next place we have is Five Below. So the first thing I picked out was this Stay Groovy mushroom wall art canvas thing. It was only $3. And then next I got this marble pour with textured canvas kit, and this was $5. This is everything it comes with. I will also be doing a video unboxing and making these, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that. Next we have Hobby Lobby. Now as you guys know, I try to avoid going there, but my fiance's parents got me a gift card for Hobby Lobby for Christmas. First, I'm going to start with the big fragile thing wrapped in the paper. So I just got this little ceramic, I guess, mushroom to paint. Next, we have this little keychain kit with the mini pony beads. And it makes the lizard, alligator, and snake. Super excited. I've always wanted to make these, but all the supplies together can get a little pricey. But for this kit, I only paid $2.49 and it was also 40% off, so it was like $1 or something. Now on to the best part. So these first 4 things are the things that I actually went there for. I got jump rings, head pins, little bead thingies, well, they're crimp beads, but I just use them as tiny beads. And then some leatherback earrings. Got these for a specific project, and of course as soon as I got home I found all the findings I needed, but either way they were all 50% off, so I'll definitely use them in the future. So I found all this stuff on clearance, and A, this stuff is really good prices, B, it's stuff I really like, and I feel like if it's on clearance that means it's going to be discontinued, so I need to get everything so that I have it for the future. First thing is definitely my favorite though. It is Sasquatch charms, 87 cents. It says Sasquatchin' on the back. Normally $3.49, so really good deal on these. And then I got these little leather cactuses, $1.74, usually $6.99. Got these steampunk seahorses, normally $5, got them for $1.24. A few more steampunk things, I guess it's kind of steampunk. Little diver helmet thing, usually $6, got it for $1.49. And then these are pretty cute. They're just little cameos with spikes on the end, usually $6, got them for $1.49. And then I got this big huge statement piece for $1.24, usually $4.99. Thought this would be really good for a big like witchy thing. And then the ones I went crazy with, just little cacti with sombreros. Usually $4, got them for 99 cents. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 of them. I bought all the ones they had because I feel like I need to have some more like normal jewelry too, instead of just my scary stuff. But also, it's a cactus wearing a sombrero. It is hilarious, and it was only $1, and they're super cute, and I'm obsessed. But that is it for this video. Make sure to tell me in the comments down below which item was your favorite. Like this video if you like crafty things, and subscribe to see all the projects that I make with these items. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.